What's up, guys? Been working on the display. Up to 14 lights now. Got another one here. It's a different light shade because one of these sort wouldn't fit over here, and I don't have another one of those sort. Got up to 14 lights now. This one here, I don't know where I'm going to put it. I'm probably going to put it here where this one here is because the socket is loose. But I also cut two boards over here. They're not perfectly cut, but not perfectly cut. These are just off my old drawers that are dismantled now, and these are the tracks. That are probably going to go to the scrap metal. But this here, I'll probably cut it up and use it too for light displays, probably ceiling fan displays actually. Fan stuff. Because I'm trying to use this to, that's still out. Still need to replace that bulb. Got all this display stuff. These are really nice pieces. I already got one up. It's this one right here. It's where this one is. It's nice wood. This one's more smoother. I didn't cut the ends off this one. Everything up here is moved around because I had to hammer this in. I had to hammer this in because I couldn't get it in. It's not sitting on anything over here, so kind of moves a little bit. And this kind of moves too because it's just sitting on there. Ceiling fan display. Nothing's really changed in the last couple weeks. I just tripped over this thing here. That's the piano. This goes over here. This is actually a firework holder. It's a cake holder. It's not November yet, so it's not time to reassemble it. So there's a bit of flies on this fan. There we go. This fan here. These lights have had no change to them. This one I know comes on pretty dim in the morning. Let's take that out for a moment. Comes on pretty dim on this bulb here. Comes on really dim. It's two bulbs in each one of these two lights. So I've changed this socket out for a different one because the other one broke, which is over here up on this shelf. Got these bulbs here. I'm probably going to put them up here because that's where I'm storing a lot of the lighting stuff. But some bulbs. Next one that's probably going to go on display is this one right here. This LED won't be going on display. There's no LEDs going on this display because I just don't want LEDs on my display. This one does work. It just flickers a little bit. And it's opened up too. So I'm going to do more work to this display and should be good as gold. So thanks for watching. Actually, I might pause the video and just come back to where we are now. So one change here is I've just replaced this socket. One that's much better. I'm just trying to fix the this socket here. This is just the wrong size. I need to take that off and find out and then fit that one. But this one is fixed. It's these sockets I found are quite dirty, but thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I need to put this cover back on. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.